This video will show you how to use Gaggle software, which the district subscribes to for every teacher and every student, to edit photos we've either taken with a camera or captured off the internet so they're the appropriate size when we upload them to our district webpage or to other places where we might display them online. Here is a photo that I've taken with my camera, and when I open it up, I'm told that the picture is 1106 pixels wide, 738 tall, and the resolution is 300 pixels per inch, or the industry term is dots per inch, 300 dots per inch. We want to get that dots per inch, or DPI, down to 72 if we're going to upload it and view it on a monitor. And one of the things Gaggle will do is it will automatically convert images to 72 dots per inch when it's loaded into the software. Now, the reason you want to crop an image before you upload it is so that you have a uniform size when you view it. Here are two photos that are approximately the same size, and you see that it's easy to view those and nice to look at. So what I'm going to do is use this size as my rule for uniformity, and in order to find out what size that is, I'm going to, on my Mac, hold down the Command key, the Shift key, and then tap the number 4 key once. When I do, my cursor changes to a crosshair. I put that in the upper left corner of my picture, drag it to the lower right corner of my picture and let up, and it makes a screenshot of that picture. If I click once on that picture and choose Get Info from the File menu, it tells me that picture is 980 pixels by 594 pixels. In order to remember it easier, I'm just going to say it's 1000 by 600 pixels. And so that's the size I want to crop all my photos for this particular web page before I upload them, 1000 by 600. Now, if you don't crop them and you upload the raw photo and then try to stretch it so it fits a certain space, you can distort the images. Here you see an image that's kind of squat looking and flat. It's because it's been stretched wide on the horizontal. Here you can tell by the two boys' faces the same thing has happened. The face is much wider than it should be and much too short to be proportional. So we want to crop the image and then upload it and not stretch it. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into my Gaggle program. I go to the area school district homepage, and under Parents and Students I go down and select Student Gaggle Email. It takes me to that page and I log in. There's an account for each student and each teacher. I now go to the Digital Locker section. This is where I upload files if I want to work on them, whether they're text files or pictures or whatever. So I'm going to choose Add File, and I'm going to upload the picture that was taken with the camera. After it uploads, I double click on it, and I'm presented with several options. And the option I want to choose is Edit with Pixlr. When I choose that option, that photo is loaded into the Pixlr program, and now I'm ready for my edit. And because it's larger than I want 1000 by 600, it's almost over 1100. I'm going to choose the crop tool. Where it says constraint, I'm going to select output size, and I'm going to say constrain that to the width of 1000 by 600 pixels. Now, after putting those numbers in, no matter what size I draw my rectangle for editing, when I save it, it's going to be 1000 by 600. So now I'm going to crop out all the information in the picture that I don't really need, all the unnecessary stuff. When I've got it cropped to the size I want, I press return on my keyboard. It crops that picture, and you notice now that the picture size is 1000 by 600. I can zoom in and out on the picture, but the actual size of the picture never really changes. It's still 1000 by 600. If I wanted to do some other things, I could adjust things like brightness and contrast, whatever I wanted to do before I save it. Now I'm ready to save it, so I choose Save from the File menu. I'm going to save it to my computer. I want it to be a JPEG now, and I'm going to call it Franklin, and click OK. It's going to save to my desktop, and I'm finished with my editing. I can close this photo, upload other photos, but I'm done for now, so I'm going to log out of Gaggle. And now when I open that image that I saved, you can see that it is 72 dots per inch. It's 1000 pixels wide and 600 pixels tall. Now I'm ready to upload it into the school district website or other places I might wish to use it online and have permission, and it will be a uniform size.